Hello everyone, my name is Vikrant Rathole and I am partner of OOB Consulting, and VRiddhi machining estimation software has been designed and sold by us. So in this video we would like to check how we are going to use is the fixturing cost, because fixturing cost is one of the fixed costs and we'll just explain you how we are going to use it. So I'm just opening one of the estimate what is already been prepared. We'll use the same demo workpiece. In setups, let us take this lathe only, modify setup. So over here we have mentioned like we are going to take 10,000, which is the cost of fixturing and tooling. Now this cost you could amortize it the way you want it. For simple example, if this is one shot order, take 100% out of it. But if you expect this to be an annual order and you are going to manufacture say 10 batches out of it, then it will be 10% of the total fixturing cost. If it is 12 batches, that is annually one batch per month, then you could take is 8.5. So just save and close. The fixed cost is coming to 1122. So how it is coming in? Sorry, modify setup, or just tune it back to 0 again. Your actual fixed cost is 272. This 272 is coming from the setup what you are going to charge. This is a setup time. If you make it setup time, load unload, actually load unload doesn't come in fixturing, I mean fixed cost. If I take 0, even this I take it as 0, save and close, my fixed cost is 0. Now let us add is an fixturing cost 10,000 and 100% if you are going to recover it in the same order. 10,000 is the fixturing cost. The rest all remains the same. What you should include in fixturing cost? Any specific tooling, special toolings being used to make this component, fixtures used to load unload this component, all these things can come over here. So that is how you are going to work with fixturing cost. I forgot to include this information during my setup video, so I have added it separately. Thanks for watching this video. Do watch all the operations video, because that is the key factor which you need to understand very well to use the software to the optimum limit. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day ahead. Thank you.